put my alarm on my phone halfway across the room, so I would have to force myself to wake up and actually pick up the phone. And by the time I already roll out of bed, I would be too awake to even go back to sleep. So I think that's a good life hack.
When we put flower on the fabric, like embroidery, I'm like learning that. Like I even make a scarf with a bead on it.
I follow my uncle to do fishing, and I'm the kind of people who easily get bored, and I just wait for like 15 minutes, like, where is the fish? Why I still not get the fish?
Going on a long road trip because I'm like scared to get lost in the road.
Diving or just exploring the ocean, nope, it's not gonna happen ever for me. I actually started journaling. I started to track down my thoughts and my feelings, how I'm feeling today. Just basically telling myself that it's okay to have bad days sometimes, and it's okay to reach out to people like you. Like I don't have to be alone in this situation, kind of thing.
I'm an international student. It's really hard for me to find, like, because my family is back home and then I'm here alone. I make my friends as a family. We cook together, we play together, we go out together. Yeah, I learn more about my friends, about my family here.